You smell awful. Take a shower. Wait, clean the house.
Clean the house, and then you can go to the Dunkin' Donuts, and then
Polish my rainbow stick. No.
kill a chicken. Marry a marshmallow.
Why do
Marry
this?
a marshmallow. Wow.
Cinderella, would you like to go to the ball tonight?
No,
I
you're
would
not
love
allowed
to.
to. You have to go to Dunkin' Donuts and kill everybody.
Give me the stick.
She turned it off.
Give me the stick.
You want me to hold it and you're the fairy godmother?
It's fine. Give me the stick.
Stop it.
Somebody has to
Okay,
be the
do
fairy
it.
godmother.
Come on, here. You're the fairy godmother now.
Idea.
Fashion godmother. Fashion godmother.
I heard that dress is hideous. And that you want to go to Dunkin' Donuts.
That's true.
Is that true, dear? Really? You can talk better than that, seriously.
Yes.
I cannot even hear you. Are you?
She probably wants to get away from her brother's butt in her face and being beat by pillows. Oh, that's wonderful.
Come here.
Hey, hey, hey.
Get out my show. Dunkin' Donuts, girl.